Finesse gang, it's your girl Shay here, and I'm back at you guys with another video. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you my latest purchase from Michaels. It's a 3-tiered pink cart with wheels, with rolling wheels on the bottom. I did have it shipped to my home. But while you guys watch me and my mom put together this cart, we are definitely going to have a little story time because we have not sat down and talked like girls in a minute. So I'm going to tell you guys about a time I had a stalker. Oh my God. I don't know if y'all ever had a stalker before, but when I tell you, like I used to watch Lifetime Movie Network, LMN, and I used to think that them people was crazy and it was just like writers, just telling stories, but I quickly realized these things are true. These stories be true. So I'm going to tell you about my true story. It's my LMN my LMN experience. So okay, one day I went to go pick up my husband from work, and he worked probably like an hour's distance away from where we lived. So, it was a little warehouse job. Nothing too much. He was building. So you think about warehouse, you're thinking about building, you're thinking it's a lot of men, but I do understand that women work in warehouses too. Because I worked in a warehouse. I actually used to package pickles for Heinz and ketchup and mustard. So get into it. I went to go pick up my husband one night, and it was late. We drove like an hour back, and this was before he was my husband, so he was just my baby daddy at the time. So I picked him up, took him home, whatever. We got home, y'all. I'm cleaning up. I'm getting everybody winding down, and I go to close up the curtains and the blinds. Go outside because I left my charger in the car. And when I went outside, y'all, there was a car. It's like a deep red, probably like a burgundy tone Impala. And the windows was rolled down. But look, the Impala was parked like right next to my car. So, that's a little shady because they say, just be careful of your surroundings. Don't park your car next to a van, stuff like that. So I wasn't thinking nothing of it. I went to my car, and as I'm walking up to my car to open up the driver's side, I realized that this Impala's windows are down, and it's not like just like the driver's side or the front passenger. It's all four windows were down. Now, what you need to know so you can understand how crazy this is my bedroom window is directly like it's like right where the parking lot is. So if you're sitting in the parking lot, you can like park outside my window, if that makes sense. So I ain't paying nothing. I went to my car. I glanced in there and I saw a female, and she was like, she was like laid back, like she was going to sleep in the car, but her eyes was peeled towards my car, like she was waiting, like she was looking on the low. I ain't think nothing of it, so I got my phone charger, whatever, went in the house. Did think nothing of it. Next day come, take my husband to work or take my baby daddy at the time to work. I get home to wash clothes, and it is a letter, like a written love letter, like a poem, in my husband's pants pocket. Cause see, I like to wash his clothes while he going to work. I go in the pants pocket. It's the girl done wrote him a letter. So clearly this is somebody who done followed him all the way 1 hour away from the job to the house. This girl showed up, and she showed up to every spot that I was at. It's just real crazy. You just got to be real careful. Lifetime Movie Network movies are real. They happen in real life. Be careful.